Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my review of the Keychron Q4. If you are a fan of minimalist design, compact form factor, then the Keychron Q4 might just be the keyboard for you. This keyboard can be found in the colors carbon black, silver gray, navy blue, and the exclusive shell white color. I said exclusive because this color is only available for the full assembly kit. You can also buy only the bare bottom version with the colors that I have mentioned before, except by the shell white. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at the Keychron Q4's features, performance, build quality, customizing, and sharing my thoughts on how it stacks up against other popular mechanical keyboards in the market. So, whether you are a productivity enthusiast, a gamer, or are simply looking for a high quality keyboard for your home office, stick around and find out if the Keychron Q4 is the right keyboard for your needs. But before that, I would like to ask you to hit the like button. Doing that will help me a lot to get more engagement. I hope you enjoy. And that's a wrap on my review of the Keychron Q4. With its south-facing switches, gasket-mounted plate, screw-in stabilizers, double-shot PBT keycaps, and compatibility with QMK and VIA software, this keyboard packs a lot of value at an affordable price of just $139. While the keyboard may sound a bit hollow-eyed on its stock form, with a few modifications, it can sound just as amazing as its older brother, the Keychron Q1. By adding phone inserts or looping the switches and stabilizers, you can achieve a more satisfying sound in a type experience. Overall, I think the Keychron Q4 is a great keyboard for anyone looking for a compact and a customizable mechanical keyboard. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more keyboard reviews and content. See you in the next video. Bye bye.